Xiaomi continues to announce its new phones from the Poco sub-brand in all price categories and announces the Poco F6 Pro F-series phone. Through the video, we will learn about all the specifications and contents of the box. In the end, we will learn about the price, so follow us to the end and let's get to the details. Welcome my friends and sisters again. We'll talk first about normal specifications. The phone comes with a weight of 209 grams. The thickness is 8.2 millimeters. The Poco F6 Pro supports two 5G SIM cards. The phone supports the fingerprint embedded at the bottom of the screen, and supports face unlock facial recognition. It supports accelerometer, proximity, compass and gyroscope. It also supports NFC technology and OTG file transfer. It also supports photo, video and document editor. The Android 14 operating system with the Hz OS interface. Mobile colors: white and black. Key specifications. First, the battery. It comes with a capacity of 5000 mAh and supports 120-watt fast wired charging. It charges the full battery in just 19 minutes, and the Type-C charging port. RAM and internal and external memory. The phone comes in more than one version. The first version is 12GB RAM with 256GB memory. The second version is 12GB RAM with 512GB memory. The third version is 16GB RAM with 512GB memory. RAM is automatically doubled and increased through software. The phone does not support the installation of a memory card. Screen specifications. The screen comes from a 6.6-inch AMOLED 2K resolution with a resolution of 1440 by 3200 pixels with a screen refresh rate of 120 Hz. It supports HDR10+ and Dolby Vision. The brightness is 4000 nits, the pixel density is 526 pixels per inch, and supports night mode and eye protection. The colors of the screen are great, and its performance is literally fantastic. As for the processor in the Poco F6 Pro, Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Octa-core with 4 nanometers manufacturing technology. The graphics processor or the Adreno 740 graphics card. Great processor performance, especially in heavy games with high graphics. Cameras. Triple lens rear with LED flash. The first lens is 50 megapixel with a 1.6 aperture and supports WA optical stabilizer. The second lens is 8 megapixel with 2.2 aperture for ultra-wide photography. The third lens is 2 megapixel with 2.4 aperture for macro photography to zoom in on fine objects. The rear cameras offer very high performance in terms of quality and colors. They also support HDR and panorama modes and 8K video shooting with a capture rate of 24, 30 and 60 frames per second. As for the front camera, it has a resolution of 16 megapixel with a 2.4 aperture. It supports shooting 4K videos with a resolution of 2160 pixels with a capture rate of 30 frames per second. Great front camera performance. Summary. To know if the phone is worth buying or not? Will it offer value for price or not? The processor is great and powerful in any use, especially in heavy games. The 2K AMOLED screen has a fast and smooth performance thanks to the 120 Hz refresh rate, high quality and some features that make the screen provide strong performance. The rear cameras are of high quality and consistent colors and support 8K video shooting, making the image highly detailed and crystal clear. The front camera also offers excellent performance. The powerful battery lasts for a long time in all uses and the fast charger charges 100% in just 19 minutes. On the other hand, the phone is complete and integrated in any use whatever. The contents of the phone box. Phone. Charger head. USB Type-C cable. User guide. Metal pin. Protective case. Warranty. Priced. The price of the phone is for the 12GB RAM and 512GB version, at around $530, and this is the world price. Please note that the price may vary by increase or decrease depending on the country or markets. At the price, we will have finished the video. I hope you liked it. Do not skimp on support, like the video, follow us and do the bell to receive everything new in mobile world.